Let's look at number 2a. This is becoming easy for us, slowly and slowly and slowly. This is so easy for us. Let's see. Write the structural formula. Of course, when they say structural, we know what it means now. They want the displayed one. For each of the following compounds. 3,5-dimethyl-cyclohexanone. So anyway, I've already written it down here. And of course, when we are writing a structure, we start with the parent chain, which is here, cyclohexanone. If there is no cyclo, you just take the hexanone. If there is a cyclo, you take the cyclo. It's part of the name. It's part of the parent chain. So the parent chain here is cyclohexanone, which is cyclohexene. And for alkenes, we put where the double bond is. We put the location here. And here we can see it's on carbon number 1, which means it's carbon number 1 to carbon number 2. So let's put the hexene. Remember, we are not putting bond line. We are putting the C's because we are not putting bond line, but we are putting displayed. So it's going to be like this. Then down here like this. This is what our hexene looks like. We put the double bond here, and we'll call this our carbon number 1. So this is carbon number 1. Then number 2, number 3, it keeps going. And we can see, we can number them to say number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here we can put, on carbon number 3, we have a methyl because it's 3,5-dimethyl. So carbon number 3, we have a methyl, and carbon number 5 as well. But carbon number 5, one of them will be the methyl. So it's like, we have it like this, and this is the methyl, okay? And here will be a hydrogen. This is hydrogens, and here we have only one, and it's a hydrogen. Here we have only one, and it's a hydrogen. Here we have a methyl and a hydrogen. So it's going to be, we have a methyl and a hydrogen, of course. And then here we have hydrogens only. So here we have a methyl. Methyl is just one carbon, right? Exactly, with its 3 hydrogens. So this is what we have, and this is going to be a 3,5-dimethyl-cyclohexanone. Now, if I want to put it the other way, there's no other way, right? Remember, cyclic compounds, we can't write it. This is the only thing we can, okay? Now we go to part B. This is the only thing, or the skeletal structure, bond line, okay? Which is not what they asked for here. So go to part B, and they said 1,1-dichlorocyclobutane. So let's put cyclobutane first. So it's going to be cyclobutane. Here's your cyclobutane, right? And then with 4 sides. Then here they said 1,1-dichloro. So we can go on carbon number 1, the one which we call carbon number 1, and we'll put the 2 things. And it's 1,1-dichloro, which means it's 2 chlorines. Okay? And here we have our cyclobutane. Now we go to the last one, which is C on this part. And what do we have? We have, so this is 1,1-dichlorocyclobutane. Okay? How easy is this? Now we do C, which is the last one, which is 1,1,3,3, and it is tetrachloropropane. So we start with the parent chain. It's a propane. So it is 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 carbons. Now we have on carbon number 1, carbon number 3, and carbon number 3, we have chlorines. Okay? So carbon number 1 and carbon number 1, we have chlorines, Cl and a Cl. Carbon number 3 and carbon number 3, we have a Cl and a Cl again. Then here we have an H. Then, of course, here we would have H's here and an H here. And now this is 1,1,3,3 tetrachloropropane. This is what you have. This is so easy. I know you could do it any day, any day. This is what you have, and you'd be done. If you want to put here, you can say CHCl. Okay? Then you can say CH2. And you can put a CHCl again. Okay? If you want, then this is what you'll be having, and you would be done. Oh, and you'd be done. If you wanted to put them 2, you could say CHCl, 2CH2. This is what you have, and you are done. All right? Goodbye for now.